in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Adams County in northeastern Colorado until 4:45 p.m. At 4:05 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Leader, or 28 miles southwest of Fort Morgan, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Leader and Shamrock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.